Look at that tornado. Oh my God. Tornado watch coming. Watch out. Watch out, fellas. Look at that thing. Look at that big thing. Oh my God. It's coming. Tornado watch. Oh my God. Look at that, fellas. Storm chasers. Look at that, devil clouds.
Why don't you be quiet?
Oh my God. Oh my.
No, we're not, Joshua. Daddy's just being stupid. And it's a tornado warning, which is different than a watch.
Okay, tornado warning, whatever. It was just so bright earlier, now it just turned black. Look at that thing. Oh my golly. We have to pick a grandma. Oh, I think this is from the hurricane bill. That was from the Atlantic Ocean. That's supposed to come in here on the East Coast. It looks like it's gonna be ugly. Look at that thing. It's amazing. Don't mess with nature.